on, y'all? It is Ranger Marcus or Marcus Raymond, and today we are in Georgia talking about prescribed fires and their relationship with reptiles and amphibians. So as all you know, I am a land management technician here at Orianne Society, and this week we were able to do 6 prescribed burns, 4 of them that I was on, but we saw a ton of herps while out there in the field. So now let me talk about the actual prescribed fires and the relationship with herps. Something that we do here at Orianne to better the environment for the eastern indigo snake, the eastern diamondback rattlesnake, and the gopher tortoise. It betters the environment for them as well as their habitat that they'll be living in. So after a few burns, after a few years, the habitat will be in pristine condition for them to live at. Each burn will eliminate the plants that aren't supposed to be there. We'll keep the plants that are supposed to be there, just like the longleaf savanna pine that we are trying to help here, as well as germinate the certain plants and shrubs that are growing here on the ground. I'm gonna play all these clips for you of the frogs, tortoises, and snakes that we saw out in the field this week. Before we start the video, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get straight to the content. So we are doing a burn out here, and one of the guys escaping was this little frog. I am not sure what kind of frog this is, but it is pretty cool looking. Got some green with that like blonde white cream lateral stripe. Don't think it's a green frog. It's got to be something else, some sort of tree frog. A cool looking thing.
It's another one of those same frogs. It's got like the white lip to it. And there's the fire.
So 2 days in a row, I find something pretty cool. We got a little gopher tortoise. This guy was escaping the fire, so I'm finding a better place for this guy. Let's go find a better burrow. So we have our prescribed fire going right here. And this guy was spotted by Caleb. This is a southern toad. He was trying to escape the fire. So let's go put it down. All right, go find a nice pond, little guy. There is a skink over here. Where is it? I was able to get my hands on this guy. This is the first skink that I've been able to get my hands on in a while. I think this is a mole skink. Once again, fire right here. So I'm gonna put this guy on the opposite side of the unit and have this guy go. And he's gone.
Marcus, take a photo of this. It's in the shape of a heart. Is this the green boy? Is that that's just the green boy.
I sure do, man.
This is such a pretty snake.
Nah.
All right.
The keys are in the truck over there, so. That's what he does. He climbs up in the trees and does that.
This Tyler sounds like a hoot.
Yeah, he's a great guy. You wouldn't understand anything that kid says.
Dude, I don't understand anything I say.
Just inflated a lot and it looks. Oh.
Can you flick the tail backer towards those? Like, oh. I'm getting it. I hate this camera. There we go.
I would have shot this one in the daylight.
overall this week we got a gopher tortoise, we found 2 eastern diamondback rattlesnakes, we got my lifer green tree frogs, we got a little brown skink, and a southern toad, all of them escaping our prescribed fire. So when they were in the unit that we were burning, we saw them all escaping to outside of the unit. So we were able to help them cross the fire break in order to get away from our prescribed fire. So I've shown you all the pictures of the animals that I found here so far, but I want to show all of the fire pictures that I've got so far. I've taken some really cool pictures of all the people that are working here at Orient Society while working on some prescribed burns. So I'm going to put all of these here. Now, if you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Peace.